Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Photo. To begin, open your Google Photos app and select an image you wish to enhance. Look for the Gemini Photo icon, usually found within the editing options. This tool leverages artificial intelligence to offer powerful editing capabilities. Familiarize yourself with the layout, as understanding the interface is key to unlocking its full potential for your photos. Gemini Photo offers incredible AI-powered features to transform your pictures. Use Magic Editor to reposition or resize subjects, even changing backgrounds with a few taps. For distractions, Magic Eraser effortlessly removes unwanted objects or people from your shots. Additionally, Smart Suggestions can automatically adjust lighting, contrast, and color balance, giving your photos a professional polish without complex manual adjustments. Beyond basic enhancements, dive into Gemini Photo's generative AI for truly creative edits, like expanding backgrounds or generating new elements. Once satisfied, saving your masterpiece is simple. It integrates seamlessly with your Google Photos library. You can then easily share your newly enhanced images directly from the app to social media or with friends and family, showcasing your improved photography. To truly master Gemini Photo, don't hesitate to experiment with all its AI tools. Try different combinations and settings to discover unique artistic effects and find what works best for your style. Always remember to back up your original photos before making significant changes, ensuring you can revert if needed. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.